Every time you step outside, an invisible force begins a relentless assault on your very biology, rewriting your future one cell at a time. This isn't science fiction. It's the documented reality of ultraviolet radiation. For men over 40, the skin's natural defenses are waning, turning a casual walk in the park into a high-stakes biological event. The damage is silent, cumulative, and it goes far deeper than a simple sunburn. Let's journey inside. As UVA and UVB rays penetrate the epidermis, they act like microscopic bullets. Their target, the nucleus of your skin cells, the vault that holds your DNA. According to researchers at leading dermatological institutes, this radiation can directly fracture the DNA helix, creating mutations known as thymine dimers. Your cells frantically try to repair this damage, but with repeated exposure, the repair systems get overwhelmed. Errors accumulate, leading to cellular dysfunction and the first stage of accelerated aging. Beneath the surface lies the dermis, a matrix of collagen and elastin that gives your skin its strength and youthful bounce. UV radiation triggers the overproduction of enzymes called matrix metalloproteinases, or MMPs. Think of these as demolition crews. They don't just stop collagen production, they actively dismantle the existing framework. The strong, organized collagen mesh that supports your skin begins to collapse into a tangled, dysfunctional mess. This is the structural failure that manifests externally as deep wrinkles and sagging skin. The body recognizes this widespread cellular damage as an injury, launching a powerful inflammatory response. While inflammation is a crucial healing process in the short term, chronic low-grade inflammation caused by daily UV exposure is destructive. This inflammaging releases a flood of free radicals, unstable molecules that ricochet through your cells, damaging everything they touch. This cascade not only accelerates skin aging, but places a systemic burden on your body's resources, linking sun exposure to broader health concerns beyond the skin. Understanding the attack is the first step. Winning the war requires a precise, multi-layered defense strategy. This is the grand resolution. Your first line of defense is an impenetrable external shield. Forget weak chemical-based lotions. The science points unequivocally to mineral-based sunblocks. Specifically, seek out formulations with a non-nano zinc oxide concentration of at least 20%. Unlike chemical sunscreens that absorb UV and create a chemical reaction in your skin, zinc oxide forms a physical barrier, literally reflecting the damaging rays away from your cells like a mirror. It is non-irritating and provides true broad-spectrum protection against both UVA and UVB. For extended time outdoors, your second layer is physical armor, clothing with a certified ultraviolet protection factor of 50 or higher. This fabric is woven to block 98% of incoming radiation, creating a personal shadow that moves with you. This two-pronged approach, a reflective mineral shield on exposed skin and UPF armor elsewhere, is the non-negotiable foundation of cellular preservation. Your external shield is critical, but the ultimate victory is won from within. You must fortify your cells against the radiation that gets through. This is your internal defense protocol. First, incorporate foods rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant proven to function as an internal sun protectant. The goal is 16 milligrams daily. This is easily achieved with 1 cup of cooked tomato sauce or 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. As cooking makes the lycopene more bioavailable, it accumulates in the skin, neutralizing free radicals at the source. Second, introduce astaxanthin, one of nature's most potent antioxidants, often called internal sunscreen. A clinical dose of 4 to 6 milligrams per day, the amount found in a 6-ounce serving of wild-caught sockeye salmon, has been shown to reduce UV-induced skin damage. Finally, a crucial step is to eliminate inflammatory agents that weaken your skin's defenses. This means rigorously avoiding processed foods containing industrial seed oils, like soybean, corn, and canola oil. These oils promote systemic inflammation, making your cells more vulnerable to UV attack. By replacing them with stable, anti-inflammatory fats like extra virgin olive oil and avocado oil, you are fundamentally rearming your body's defense grid. This three-part internal strategy, lycopene for neutralization, astaxanthin for protection, and oil purity for resilience, builds a biologically robust defense system from the inside out.